Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel, getting you up close to the world's greatest destinations. Today we're going to look at AMA waterways and a river cruise for a different time of year. But before we start, if you have any questions, I'm always around. You can contact me if you have any questions. 7 days a week by phone, email, or text, and I would love to help plan your next adventure, so keep me in mind for that. So AMA waterways, when you think river cruising, you think cruising during the summer, the spring, or even the fall, and maybe even a magical Christmas cruise in November or December. But what AMA Waterways is doing now is they're cruising in the off season, and when I say off season, I mean February and March. So February and March, certainly a different time to cruise. You're going to be in Europe during the winter months, but if you've done a lot of Rhine or Danube cruises in the summer or the fall or spring, and you want to do something a little bit different, see Europe in a different perspective, this might be a great option for you. You'll get to enjoy the authenticity of Europe's wintry landscapes, tranquil historical towns dusted in fresh snowfall, and rich cultural events that are only during the winter months. There are 3 AMA Waterways itineraries for February and March. They are selling, so if you're looking for something last minute, this might be a perfect option for you. They're selling on the Rhine or the Danube. The 3 itineraries are, first is Best of the Danube. This is 7 nights, round trip Budapest. So there is also a promotion that AMA Waterways is running on select itineraries where you get a free or included land package. So we can look at the different options for that as well. Best of the Danube. Up next, Captivating Rhine. So this is Amsterdam to Basel. And this does have a 2-night Amsterdam pre-cruise and 2-night Lake Lucerne, 2 nights Zurich. And then last but not least, the Magna on the Danube. This is 7 nights from Budapest to Vilshofen, and this does also include a pre-cruise in Budapest, 3 nights in Prague as well. And the AMA Magna is that double wide ship that sails on the Danube. It's just a couple years old, so you would think that the Magna would have twice the amount of people, but no, it's not. So not that many more people, and you get more space, more restaurants on board. So those are the 3 itineraries for this February, this March. They're also available for next year, so if you need a little more time to plan, 2026 might be a good option too. But if you're looking for something last minute, a river cruise in Europe, something completely different, this might be a great option for you. I'm around, so if you want to give me a call me anytime. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.